Hi guys, this is Dr. Ruchir, your instructor from Poddar group of institutions. In my last video, we have discussed two options from Home tab. One is font and another one is alignment. Hope you guys enjoy learning. Today, I'm going to explain the third option, number, available in the Home tab. What exactly number option does? It sets basically the number option sets the format of your data which is going to be entered in your cell. Whatever data you want to enter in your cell, it sets the format of that particular uh, data data in the cell. uh, we have the two different ways to work with this option. One is you can go directly with these buttons available in the ribbon, or we have the second option, which is through the dialog box. When you press Control 1 from your keyboard, you will see this dialog box. This is the number dialog box where you have the different categories available. See, the different categories are there. Journal is there, number, currency, accounting date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, spatial, and customs. So these are the categories available for your data. The default category which is set by the Excel once you open your sheet is journal. Okay, once I'll select any category from there, the nature of my cell will be changed accordingly. Suppose if I'll say I'll go with the number format, right? Once I'll click on the number, so the number gives me the one option which is called decimal places. So you can set the decimal places of your number, how many decimal places will be available in that particular selected cell. I have selected C B2. B is the column name and the 2 is my row, so the cell address is B2. So I'm gonna set a type of data for this particular cell, and I'll selected the first option is number. So I'll go with the number, say, and I'll set the decimal places to 4. See, it will, this is the preview of the number. Whatever number I'll entered in this cell, it represents like this. Okay, you can use the separator also every 1,000 numbers. After 1,000 number, there the separator will be used like comma. So 1,000. Uh, See, I'll write 1 lakh. So after every 1,000, the separator will be used. So it's up to you if you want to use the separator, you can check this box. Otherwise, uncheck it. So I'll set the decimal place to 4 and press OK. See, now I'll enter anything here. Suppose I'll enter 23 and press enter. My number will convert in the particular uh, data type which I'll set for this cell. This is called number with the 4 decimal values. See, so this is the use of basically this number. We can set the data type of my particular cell. Okay, second one, I'll go with the currency. See, say if I'll set sorry, I'll cancel it and I'll select another cell. This one, the cell number is B4, and I'll go again with the dialog box. I'll click on the currency option. See, I can set the decimal places, either 1, 2, 3, whatever decimal places I need. I'll go with the 3, suppose. And this is the currency drop down menu where you can find different currency symbols available here from different countries and all. I'll select, see, I'll go with the Indian currency rupee. Have you seen the Hindi Indian? Check. Hmm. See, here is Hindi India. See, the rupee symbol is there. my value, whatever value I'm going to put in the cell, it will look like this. Okay, I'll press OK. See, up suppose if I'll write 45 in it, and when I'll press enter, it will look like this. The rupee symbol will be there, and the type of data is a currency. See, you can check once you will be in the cell, check the type of your data which is written here. This is currency. Either you can go directly from there also. Okay, suppose I'll check another one. I'll go with the cell C6. Okay, and I'll go here again. I'll see the date option is available. Whatever format you want for your date, you can select it from there. Suppose I'll select this one and I'll press OK. When I'll enter anything in it, see, I'll go with the 32020. When I'll press enter, it will convert the date in this format. So this number option will set the format of your data in a particular cell. So this is all about the number option. There are lots of options available. You just go with every option and check out the nature of the particular category. Okay, hope so. This is all about the number option of the home tab. Hope you understand the utility of that particular number option. So that's all from my side. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye.